Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxing, some tutorials, and I do review some makeup along the way. And as you guys have read from my title, we are doing an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This guy finally arrived. This has been in transport since the 6th of November. I don't know what's taking so long. I don't understand, honestly. I don't know what's wrong with Ipsy as of late. But anyways, so as a reminder, Ipsy is a $25 a month subscription, which you get 5 full-size items, and Ipsy does give you the options of doing add-ons for either $3, $12, or now $18. They're starting to increase the prices, I've noticed, for add-on product as of late. And yeah, so in our Ipsy Glam bags, besides the fact that we get 5 full-size items, it's supposed to have a value of $120 plus. So do you guys think I'm gonna have a good box based off my previous unboxings for Ipsy? Before you answer that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment below what you think is gonna happen in this unboxing. Let's go. All right, this time I brought my scissors because I seriously just got it. I didn't even have an opportunity to open it. So same in the inside of the box. It says discover yourself, and it has the little foam. Oh, I didn't realize that. So this actually has a slightly bigger bag than the Glam bag. The other one's a little bit smaller, so that's actually pretty cool. I do like these bags, so that makes it very nice. I have a whole collection. For our Glam Bag Plus, Ipsy does I lied, you guys. No, I didn't. So it looks like Ipsy is gonna be shady, you guys. So here's my card. Typically, Ipsy gives us our prices along with the items that we get in each one of our Glam Bag Plus. I think because people went hard on them because our ultimate boxes do not have any prices listed. So they decided, oh, you're complaining about us not being truthful and honest, and because we're not actually disclosing retail value, we will take it out of your Glam Bag Plus, this was already fine originally, so there's no prices listed. So as I go through the box, since again I didn't realize they were going to do this, so I didn't research it in advance, I'm gonna write it in the description and tell you what the value is, and in the comments below I will pin down the total retail value of my box. But I would hope it's gonna be over $120. If it's not one thing, it's another with Ipsy as of late. But it is giving us our little advisory that on November 26th is considered Choice Day, which is the day we are allowed to select one customized item in our boxes or bags. And then on Black Friday, it looks like they're gonna have a limited edition box or mystery bag. And on Cyber Monday, they're gonna be doing add-ons. It says best Monday ever, buy 2 add-ons and get 1 free sample. So on Cyber Monday, they're gonna do buy 2 samples, get 1 free, or get $3 off a full-size item. Well, I'm gonna toss that away since I don't know the prices, and we'll just begin. So my very first item is from Murad. Sorry. It's the Acne Control Skin Perfecting Lotion. It's an oil-free hydration for your skin and blemish-prone skin. It's a lotion. Okay. Here's how the bottle looks like. It says it's a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer, provides a shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin with honey extracts, a natural, can't pronounce that word, Queen of Meadow refined skin texture while whatever. So this can be applied on your face, your chest, and your neck, and it does recommend to use sunscreen. So this guy, I have to tell you, I've been excited to try it. This is from, I don't know how to pronounce it, Ilmakia, whatever. I actually have some lip pencils from them, and I did enjoy them. This is their veil called Hydrate Veil. It's very cool black packaging. And very faintly it's engraved right here, but this is a primer and it looks like a high-end, so it has the little spoon. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see how it looks like a jelly, so I'm going to take some from the top and close it, but it does have a spoon, and this is how it looks like. It actually looks, it really looks like jelly. Look at that. It's not too thick and it does not feel tacky. It's supposed to be a hydrating formula. Whoa. Definitely, I think this is going to be pore filling. Look at this hand. I can feel, like the pores look sealed in versus this one with nothing on it. And I didn't put lotion, I haven't put lotion on this hand since this morning. So this primer looks promising. I will mention it's now getting tacky now that it's starting to dry down. So that's, personally, I do like a tacky primer. It actually helps my foundation grip a little better, just a little tacky. So very promising. Next is from Sozed London. Now, I actually have this. This is actually from Sozed London. It's a roll-on highlighter in the color Glow. I have a different color. It's like, I forgot what it's called, but it's from Allure. Allure gave us a smaller one, a travel size one. And in all honesty, I do not like these type of highlighters, and I do not like liquid. So this is a no for me. I'm going to set it aside for a future giveaway. Next, this, if you guys could read this, Belly something, don't know what it is. The color name is called Smoking on Screens. Very interesting. I will say online the packaging looked interesting, and that is so sick. Like, this is really cool. I like this just for the packaging, you guys. Like, it could be like a focal piece, you know, like you put it on your stand. Let's pop this out. Oh, and it has like little stars. Look at that. Oh, wow. This is the same color as my nails. So, give me 1 second. Let me open. I'm going to put this aside, and then I'm going to swatch it on my lips. Before I do that, let's open this guy up since it's my last item. This is my Gigi Gorgeous, the Gigi Gorgeous collab, the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo. All these packages have been very difficult to open. Well, the Gigi Gorgeous collabs have been difficult. So it came with the same kind of lightweight packaging. It does have the easy open. Ooh. Those colors are pretty nice, actually, I'm not gonna lie. Well, you can't tell whatsoever because they're my skin tone. So hopefully I'll be able to build these up because they are my skin tone on my hand. It doesn't show whatsoever. But I do like the colors. I specifically like this one right here. It's very pretty. Like today, that reminds me of my Cover FX palette. I just did a very light contouring around my face, and I applied the same contour on my lids just for a wash of color, and I like doing that actually. So this would be a really nice alternative. So I'm glad. Let's, at a later time when I review this, I will definitely let you guys know. And I close this. So I want to just apply this on the top of my current lipstick and see how it goes, since, you know, why not? It does feel very creamy. It's bleeding a little bit on the... I'm not sure if it's bleeding on the bottom lip area because I didn't... Oh shit. Oh, I didn't break it. It's still okay. Anyways. So I think for next time, I definitely have to make sure to use a lip liner and maybe not have another product on top. But the color, I definitely like. It's a nice color. Something that's definitely wearable. I like how it feels, and it's really nice. So you guys could see, it's a very cranberry color, so it might look darker, I guess, right now because I have French toast from Gerard's underneath. Ooh. It has a magnet. But anyways, so you guys just saw my box. Here are my 5 items. Thankfully, there's nothing broken this time. Yay! Again, I will leave below what my total was once I do some research. Now, I like all the items, you guys. I really do. Now the lotion, the highlighter, sorry, I don't like the highlighter, but okay, I like 4 out of the 5 items. Let's put it that way. I don't like the highlighter. I really wish Ipsy would add a line and say, do you like, or actually add 2 lines. Do you like powder? You know, do you like the pressed highlighters? Do you like loose highlighters? Do you like the glide on? Do you like liquid? I don't like those. I like either the pressed powder ones, or sometimes, not most of the time, I don't mind the loose highlighters. But the roll-on one I don't like. It just makes it really difficult for textured skin. Now for everything else, it's very nice. It looks promising to me. I'm very disappointed at the fact that Ipsy is trying to pull a fast one on us, and like, what the hell? Why can't you be transparent, Ipsy? Like, really, what is so hard to be transparent and truthful to your consumers? We are your consumers, your subscribers are your consumers. Why can't you tell us the truth? Like, we know you get these products, you know, for a tenth of the cost. Come on, we all know that. We're not stupid at this point. So why can't you just put the retail price? Like, do you think that you're not going to be scrutinized for that? I don't know. I know they're not going to watch my video, but guess what? You guys will. You guys are. And it's up to you guys to do what you guys want to do. Tweet them, Facebook them, tell them what you want them to do. Without us telling Ipsy what we want them to do, be transparent, list your prices for at least the full-size items. They will never change. I've already, I'm not sure if I mentioned it to you guys, I've already canceled my ultimate box, sorry. I might skip the regular Glam Bag for December because I saw some of the sneak peeks and I'm not excited. I saw they're doing like Morphe palettes, kind of like the ones Boxy did a few months back, and I hated those palettes, so I'm not excited. I might just keep the Plus, and that's it, and I'm not sure, but I'll keep you guys posted before the end of the month. But yeah, so again, I do like 4 out of the 5 items. I'm just disappointed that Ipsy couldn't stay transparent. If this price card that I tossed that side of the room would have had at least the prices listed and not make me do more research and find more prices, because I've actually would have been happy, and I would have been a much different video in my opinion, because I do like the items. Again, 4 out of 5, I think that's a score. I love the lipstick, I like the bronzer, that primer, oh my god, it looks bomb. But it's like, why? Like, the simplest thing, why? I don't understand. Leave a comment below how you guys feel about your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and do you guys feel the same way I do? Do you feel that they're trying to lie to their consumers? And basically, do you feel that they should be more transparent? Why, you know? But anyways, you guys, please remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one, which will be very soon. Goodbye.